So in question number 1, we had this equation x minus y plus 2 equals 0 in standard form, and we found its y equals mx plus b equivalent, giving us y equals x plus 2. Now we need to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Now looking at this equation, if y equals mx plus b, whatever precedes the x is the slope. We're looking for m. And here I can see, well, although we don't write it, it's 1. That means m equals 1. And looking at the equation, I can see that b equals 2. That means the y-intercept is 2. Now, knowing this information, I can draw the graph. I'm going to draw a 2 here for the y-intercept. It doesn't have to be to scale. And I know that the slope is positive. That means it's going this way. So I'm just going to draw a straight line in that direction, passing through the y-intercept. And of course, I'm going to label my graph y equals x plus 2.